2009 BMW 750 Li. So it's the extended wheelbase, which means that this car has got bigger doors at the back and it's got a lot of room. And this comes stock extended. You can get the original or the extended version. So let's get back to the rim and tire bit of it. So winter's around the corner, so we're putting on a 19-inch aluminum wheel and tire package for this vehicle. So the first step is we brought the vehicle in, we jacked it up, we zipped off all the tires. So now I'm going to tell you what came off of this vehicle. So this vehicle had 19-inch staggered rims and tires that were on it. So these are originally silver, but a lot of brake dust because you know what? They weren't clean, but no big deal. So what's on this vehicle right now is Continental Pro Contact. These are all season tires, so these tires right now are in great shape. So these don't have to be replaced come the spring, so we're just going to take these off, okay? The guys are going to mark them, they're going to bag them up. Okay, so yes, this vehicle staggered, so that means that the tires at the back over here are wider, which are right over here, and the fronts are more narrow. So what we did is we did a little bit of plus sizing. So what we did is for the winter, it's always better to have the same tires all the way around. So we've got 19-inch rims that are 19 by 8.5 all the way around. So these ones right here, these are 19-inch. They've got a nice gloss finish. They're metallic gray. So you can see the metallic. They're really nice in the sunlight. So what we do is we bring the 4 rims in first. So we've got the rims unboxed. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rim, I'm going to test fit it, make sure it clears the calipers, doesn't hit the struts or anything like that. So let's come on over. The first thing I always do is I get my handy dandy knee pad. So we throw that on the floor just like that, line it up, and here we go. These are hub centric, so they're going to go right on the hub. Beautiful. So look at that. So the rim is right on the hub, so there won't be no vibrations. We give it a quick spin, doesn't touch the calipers. So 2 things you got to look for. You're looking for over here so that this doesn't touch the caliper. But one thing people miss is top of the caliper here. Make sure it doesn't hit the inner barrel of the rim. So what you do is move it around a couple times. Okay, we're going to take this off. So what we do next is we look in the back, see if there's any marks. So no marks in the back of the rim, which means that this vehicle here is good to go in the front. But I know, guys, a little bit more work. We're going to do them on the back just to be 100%. So let's go to the back. Same procedure. Boom, just like that. And one thing that's always good about the back, the calipers are always smaller on the back, so the chances of hitting are less. And one more thing we got to do, let's go to the front of the car, let's check the offset, make sure this rim is sitting pretty much flush or close to. So let's go to the very front of the car and look straight down here. So see, guys, the fender's here, the rim is a little bit in, which is fine because that's what we want. We don't want it coming up to this or through this because what happens is in the inner wheel wells that the tire may rub, and that's going to be a problem. So we're good. Perfect fit. Okay, we've got these snow tires right here. It's got nice block tread, open grooves and channels, open shoulders so the slush and snow can get out. So these are going to go together. So what we're going to do next is, let's go over here. So we've got the tire on the rim on the machine here. So this vehicle doesn't have tire pressure sensors. We've got a regular black valve stem in for the winter. Looks really nice, eh, guys? So next thing, what we did before is we already had one pre-made for you guys, okay? Just show you how it looks on the rim. So look at that, all mounted up, ready to go. Okay, we use all the plastic tools to put this on so there's no marks, black valve stem for easy maintenance. And it's all balanced. So you know what, guys? Easy as that. We're going to put this on, we're going to tighten it up, drop it, back it out. This customer is safe for the winter. And you know what, guys? Another vehicle done.
Man, I never thought of seeing him. Rimline videos were coming equipped.
Bang on. Seen the cars, seen the honey.
Comes more money.
We count them all.
You choose